Ever needed to record your Mac screen but had no idea where to start? I have been there. Let me show you the easiest way in under 2 minutes. Go to the top right corner of your Mac and click on that little magnifying glass. That opens Spotlight Search. Type QuickTime Player into the search bar and press Enter. If a folder window pops up, just click Cancel. Now go down to your app dock at the bottom of the screen. Find QuickTime, then right-click on it. Or, if you are on a trackpad, click with 2 fingers. From the menu that pops up, select New Screen Recording. A little menu bar will appear at the bottom. Choose whether you want to record your entire screen or just a selected portion. Click Options to configure your microphone if needed. Then click Record. When you are finished, go to the top right menu bar of your Mac and click the circular stop button, a circle with a square inside. Your video preview will pop up. Click File in the top menu bar, then choose Export As. Select your desired quality like 1080p, choose a location like your desktop, and click Save. That is it. You just recorded your Mac screen. If this helped, tap the subscribe button before you go. Also, comment record below so I know this worked for you. Next video, I will show you how to edit that recording for free. See you in that one.